Hi guys, so today I'm gonna do a review on this Kuma stack and this candy. So yeah, I'll open this one. I'm sorry, my dog's rolling around. Oh my god. God, he's scratching something. Okay, so it looks like these. Yeah. There's coating. Sorry. These are really good. I recommend these. Now, I'll do this. No, sorry. You can't be in this video, sorry. Okay. I'll open it. Okay. Oh my god. So it's individual packing. So there's this one. This one strawberry. And this one. Wait a minute. This one. Yeah, there's 4 times. Wait, there's 5. Nope. Yeah, there's 4. So these are the designs. So today I'll try this one and this one. Yep. And I'm gonna do another vid about these two. Yep. So yeah, now I'll open these. And this is in Japanese writing, so I don't know. And it looks like this with sugar on it. There's this strawberry and mango flavor, but I'm not gonna eat it all. Just put it up here. And yeah, I'm just gonna do one actually. I'll do the other ones on the next vid. Yeah. So I hope you like this review. Yeah. Stay tuned for the candy updates. Yeah. Bye.